I'm gonna try and edit something fun in there and we'll see if that does happen, but probably not because I'm pretty lazy. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video that is so expertly planned and very professional. Hi, pals. I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, RESHOEVN8R. I know I've been doing a lot of RESHOEVN8R videos. They're my only sponsor. And let's face it, number one, I suck at Instagram because I hate it. And number two, I'm not Heskicks. Which, don't get me wrong, that dude is one of the OGs of sneaker YouTube. I just don't have the following he does. Probably because I'm way more annoying than he is. But hey, anyways, RESHOEVN8R is my preferred and probably the best sneaker cleaning stuff on the market. Tomorrow, not today, tomorrow, they're doing a one-day sale where you can get 10% off of anything on the entire site if you use my code HeyPals10. You guys probably know just from the other 15 billion videos of these that I've had to do. RESHOEVN8R recently rebranded. They still have the best sneaker cleaning and beautification products that you can find anywhere on the market. And the code that's active for tomorrow only, it's a 24-hour code, HeyPals10, could save you 10% on sneaker cleaning solution. It'll save you 10% off of any of the brushes, off of sneaker wipes, 10% off of the stain and water repellent, like anything on their entire site. If you're running low on any of your RESHOEVN8R stuff, or you just want to check out some other things you may have not used before, tomorrow is a really good opportunity to do it. So tomorrow, which is Friday, use the referral link in the video description, go to RESHOEVN8R.com, get whatever you need, and then at checkout, use the code HeyPals10 to save 10% off of your entire order. And that's on anything on the entire website. And keep in mind too, they offer free shipping now, which will save you a good amount of money too, and they have free returns in case something happens. What's a fun motto we can use today? RESHOEVN8R. Hey there, sneakers. I'm disrespectful to dirt. I just think that's really cool. Anytime that you can save some money on sneaker cleaning stuff is always a good thing. So check that out. We do actually have two unboxings today. These are from Soul Steals. It's not a sponsored video from Soul Steals because the sponsor is RESHOEVN8R for this video, but I've been a Soul Steals member for a really long time. It's a $20 a month membership that gives you access to a bunch of steals that release every Sunday, or they sometimes have free raffles and stuff. It's part of Soul Supremacy, so you know it's super legit. Every once in a while, they'll do mystery pairs where someone will get like a pair of off-whites or whatever. Ooh, drop things. I did not win the like big ticket pair, but I did get two of these. So one of them is a size 11, and I know one of them is a size 6 youth. So let's see what mystery pair we got from Soul Steals. So this is the size 6 youth one. I only got 6 youth because I forgot to enter my size, but not surprisingly, it is an Adidas. It's a Pharrell Williams collaboration. It's a crazy boost you wear, whatever PRD means. It is a dead stock pair, so that's cool. So there's that. This is a size 6 youth. It says gratitude on the front by the laces. It's a crazy boost you wear. From what I understand, very nice basketball shoe. It's a dead stock pair. I think I paid $65 shipped for these. I don't know what the market is on them, but it's probably worth about 60 bucks. So these will be on the website for sure, because what am I gonna do with it? So for 65 bucks, getting a dead stock pair of pretty decent shoes. It's a collaboration with Pharrell. Like, that's actually a pretty good price. So there's that. That makes me think that this other one's gonna be an Adidas too, which would not surprise me at all. This one actually is a size 11. It'd be cool to get a Nike, but this was a $50 Mr. Oh, wait, the other one was 80 bucks, not 65. It was 65 plus shipping. This one was 50 plus shipping to make it 65. So let's see what's going on here. See, I told you I don't plan these videos. I'm not very good at this. Not surprising enough, when people need to purge pairs for cheap, it's always Adidas. Don't ask me why. It's a size 11, NMDR1. Oh, this is those red ones. So there you go. That's the NMD we got for 65 shipped. It's actually really nice material. It's got this like nice mesh upper. The heel is leather, which is definitely neat. Kind of cool colorway. I know these are on Foot Locker right now for like 47 bucks. So about 50 bucks is what they're worth. So I paid about what they're worth. No big deal though. They are dead stock. It's a size 11. Maybe I'll throw them on the website for cheap. So there you go. Definitely check out SoulSteels, soulsteels.com. It's $20 a month to have a membership. They drop some pretty crazy steals on there. So it's part of Soul Supremacy too, like I said. So you know it's legit. Big, huge thank you to RESHOEVN8R for sponsoring this video. Remember to go down below, find my referral link to visit RESHOEVN8R and check out all their products tomorrow and use the code HeyPals10 to save 10% off of your entire order, which is awesome because we haven't had a promo code in such a long time. But now there's one and it's one day only, unfortunately, but use it, use it, use it, use it because it's totally worth it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Beater Box Friday is tomorrow. Yeah, the box is already open. I just have to clean them today and then we'll put them up on the website tomorrow. Hey, cool. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We will see you tomorrow. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.